Attention, enthusiasts of armored might and thrill seekers. Prepare to witness the awe-inspiring dominance of the legendary Abrams M1A2 tank as it takes center stage on the battlefield. Get ready for an immersive experience that will leave you breathless, captivated by the sheer power that emanates from this colossal war machine. Brace yourselves for explosive action, gripping insights, and exclusive behind-the-scenes access that will redefine your understanding of unstoppable force. Join us on this exhilarating journey that promises to ignite your passion for military prowess. Don't miss out on the pulse-pounding content that awaits you. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay in the loop for more adrenaline-filled adventures that will set your heart racing. The Abrams M1A2 tank, an iconic embodiment of American military might, carries with it a rich legacy that spans several decades. Developed by the United States during the height of the Cold War, the M1 Abrams tank emerged as a cutting-edge armored platform designed to surpass its aging M60 predecessors and provide American forces with unrivaled capabilities. The inception of the Abrams M1A2 took place in the late 1970s, and it officially entered service with the United States Army in 1980. Named in honor of General Creighton Abrams, or distinguished figure who served as S. Army Chief of Staff, this tank represented a revolutionary fusion of firepower, protection, and maneuverability. Among its remarkable features, the M1A2 stands out for its advanced composite armor, or formidable combination of steel, ceramic, and depleted uranium layers that render it highly resilient against enemy assaults. Equipped with a formidable 120mm squared smoothbore gun, this tank possesses the ability to unleash a diverse array of ammunition, including armor-piercing rounds and anti-personnel projectiles. Over the years, the M1A2 tank has undergone multiple modernization programs aimed at elevating its capabilities to new heights. These upgrades encompass improved targeting systems, expanded network connectivity, and enhanced survivability features. The tank's fire control system has witnessed significant advancements, integrating thermal imaging, laser range finders, and ballistic computer technology to ensure unparalleled accuracy and target engagement. The Abrams M1A2 has etched its presence on the battlefield, actively participating in various conflicts such as the Persian Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the ongoing war in Afghanistan. Its exemplary performance in these theaters of operation has solidified its status as one of the world's most formidable main battle tanks. The relentless pursuit of advancement and continuous upgrades have solidified the Abrams M1A2 tank's position as a vanguard in armored warfare. Its unparalleled firepower, steadfast protection, and exceptional mobility have cemented its relevance and effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. To this day, the Abrams M1A2 remains a cornerstone of the United States Army and is coveted by allied nations worldwide. Its fusion of technological superiority and battle-proven performance has transformed it into an enduring symbol of military prowess, a force that demands respect on any battlefield it graces. The design of the Abrams M1A2 tank encompasses a myriad of features meticulously engineered to contribute to its exceptional battlefield performance. Let us embark on a detailed exploration of its design elements. The Abrams M1A2 boasts a robust and heavily armored hull constructed primarily from steel and composite materials. Its frontal section incorporates a sloped glacis plate, strategically designed to deflect incoming projectiles. The tank's turret, housing the crew and main armament, also boasts formidable armor. employing composite armor composed of steel, ceramics, and depleted uranium layers. The M1A2 offers exceptional protection against a wide array of threats, including armor-piercing rounds and explosive devices. At the core of the M1A2 lies its formidable main armament 120mm² smoothbore gun. This high-velocity cannon possesses the capacity to launch an assortment of projectiles, ranging from armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds to high-explosive anti-tank rounds and multi-purpose anti-tank rounds. The gun's accuracy is further augmented by advanced fire control systems, incorporating laser rangefinders and ballistic computers, ensuring precise and lethal target engagement. In addition to its primary armament, the M1A2 is equipped with secondary weapons, enhancing its firepower. These include a coaxial machine gun positioned alongside the main gun, typically chambered in 7.62mm², and a roof-mounted .50 caliber machine gun that serves anti-aircraft and anti-personnel roles. The tank's propulsion system features a gas turbine engine, bestowing it with formidable power output and impressive acceleration capabilities. This empowers the M1A2 to achieve speeds of up to 45 mph on roads and approximately 30 mph off-road. Its tracks and suspension system are meticulously designed to deliver superior traction and maneuverability, enabling it to traverse a variety of terrains, including rough and uneven surface. The Abrams M1A2 accommodates a skilled crew of 4, encompassing the commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Ensuring their safety and protection, the crew is positioned within an armored capsule. The tank's interior is ergonomically crafted, optimizing crew efficiency and minimizing fatigue during protracted operations. Over its operational lifespan, the Abrams M1A2 has undergone multiple modernization initiatives aimed at ensuring its technological superiority. These upgrades have encompassed enhancements to its optics, sensors, battlefield management systems, and countermeasures against emerging threats like improvised explosive devices and anti-tank guided missiles. The design of the Abrams M1A2 tank is a testament to the pursuit of unmatched firepower, impenetrable protection, and exceptional mobility. Its integration of cutting-edge technologies, resilient construction, and continual upgrades has solidified its status as one of the world's most formidable main battle tanks, capable of dominating the contemporary battlefield. The M1A2 tank incorporates advanced sensors and targeting systems that elevate the crew's situational awareness. Thermal imaging cameras, laser rangefinders, and ballistic computers enable accurate identification and engagement of targets, even in low visibility conditions. This empowers the crew to effectively detect and neutralize threats, minimizing the risk of surprise attacks. Equipped with advanced command and control systems, the Abrams M1A2 facilitates seamless communication and coordination with friendly forces. Real-time information sharing, including target data and situational updates, fosters heightened battlefield awareness and ensures the efficient execution of missions. To safeguard its crew and enhance survivability, the Abrams M1A2 integrates various protective measures. NBC nuclear, biological, and chemical protection systems, automatic fire suppression systems, and enhanced mine blast resistance are among its notable features. Additionally, the tank incorporates advanced reactive armor modules that augment defense against anti-tank missiles and rocket-propelled grenades (RPGs). The M1A2 tank possesses significant potential for further modernization and upgrades. Advanced technologies, such as improved fire control systems, enhanced networking capabilities, and active protection systems, can be integrated to adapt to evolving threats and maintain its tactical advantage. The global demand for the Abrams M1A2 has led to its acquisition by numerous nations, including the Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Egypt, Iraq, Australia, and others. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be astounded by the sheer power and capabilities of the legendary Abrams M1A2 tank. Did you feel the ground shake as this armored titan showcased its might? If you were blown away by this incredible display, show your support by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel. Make sure to activate the notification bell to stay up to date on all the explosive content we have in store for you. But wait, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and favorite moments in the comments section below. Have you had the privilege of witnessing the Abrams M1A2 in action? We can't wait to read your thrilling experiences. Your engagement fuels our passion for delivering more mind-blowing content. Thank you for being all part of our community. Until our next top-pounding adventure, stay armed and stay engaged, my fellow tank enthusiasts.